Wat lada uba ada bat norum emeli juga nak selong bat katungan ngot kini ngilam jaga pipi kili alat masong asmat tugas ketia pan pulang lagi hendai u doktor Riki norum balong jenis kati bat praca lemar banyak emeli juga mereka sahabat no ajan di Ophis saki magistrate bang cuma saya iki bentur hadu ahmad ketia
That is the duty of the
who expect us to ensure that they are safe, they are secure. They're coming.
Do you want to show them that everything is fine in Meghalaya?
No.
Everything is fine.
No, sir.
A day will come, you will be in their shoes. Then only you, once you face the music, then only you will understand.
You personally do not know.
That is different, but what they have
You
faced
cannot
is
say that I have
different.
not been in their shoes.
That is
You
different.
cannot say
That is
that
different.
because you don't know what I have gone through and what I have not been through as an officer or as a woman for that matter, as a woman officer. Okay, there's about every word that comes
It's important that the nation should know what is going on in our state. That our state is going down, we're going down to the
And not
drain
like what they are
where
trying to portray.
a body,
we
a
are not portraying
constitutional body,
anything.
Then why? Then why?
Yes.
Then why?
a constitutional body.
You said, oh, they might.
We are
Which
not
is
telling
supposed-
NEC for NEC that everything is great in our state. We are telling her NEC that please be here, be with us, support us, continue to give us more policy, give importance to city state over any other northeastern state because we have the capacity to give as people of the state.
And
the
our-
city. We don't. Let us be reasonable, sir. Kita sulit
We are reasonable.
Kita sulit lain word. Pikot yung patba mo.
Nimkot.
Pilay yung really di patba. Bagiwan. Mo.
Nimkot. But we leave it to the
Yes.
any concerned
You leave it as a
citizen.
concerned citizen to
If
come.
they come as
So,
individuals,
so
can
let
we
us-
stop them?
Let us
understand second one point for you understand right you understand
A
duty
person
sir.
is
Everybody does
reasonable.
not, sir.
Is a crowd reasonable, sir?
A crowd you
person is
cannot
reasonable,
control.
but is a crowd reasonable? How will you reason with a crowd? Because
Please help us with that.
Ni nong alam tu ni dan hang ni hakmat. Gila ikan dia kam nem ta tu ni. Ni hapan lek ban support ya ki. Kata kan dia mentality. Gila wan hang tu gila shit gila khloit.
Amen.
Gila
So far you have seen our demonstration is always
For
peaceful.
221 hours,
But
we
do not know,
protested.
sir. That happened
And
there. Thank God.
we
Thank
protested
God it is
all
peaceful.
in the interest of the
Now you
state.
cannot know every time kalap nam long uta. Ni thank God that nothing untoward happened, and we are grateful. But
See, with your cooperation, that too. With your cooperation, that's right.
Exactly why you require your cooperation.
That's what we also ask your cooperation. Let's go together.